Well, there are many ways to honor the life and legacy of Dr. Martin Luther King. On this holiday, many are choosing to do it by making it a day of action. Thanks so much for staying with us. I'm Corey Chambers.
And I'm Shirley Chan in for Tamsin tonight. Today is a day for service projects and for giving back. And besides doing good, volunteering can also make us feel good as well.
Yeah, joining us today to talk about the mental health benefits of volunteering is Dr. Jeff Gardere, a board-certified clinical psychologist. Dr. Jeff, good seeing you.
Great to see you both, and happy MLK Day.
There you go. There you go. So talk about this, the psychology here. You know, there's a saying, it's better to give than to receive. I guess it's kind of along the same idea of it's better to give of yourself, and because you get something back in a way.
Absolutely. Aristotle said that the essence of life is to serve others and do good. And when we do that, Corey, what we're doing is making other people feel good, but it also makes us feel good too. And we know that it comes back to us in many, many different ways, emotionally, but even when we look at the psychology of it, we know that the neuropsych of it, it releases dopamine when we give to others. So that makes us feel good. It says, ooh, do that again. It releases oxytocin, which makes us feel warm about ourselves and others. And it even releases serotonin, which makes us feel good and balances us out. You know, people take pills for this stuff. And here you can give to other people and sometimes get some of those same sorts of emotions.
All right. So, Dr. Jeff, there's definitely a chemical aspect to all of this, but what are some of the other mental health benefits when it comes to volunteering?
Well, Shirley, first and foremost, it gives us some perspective. And as I say to my patients all the time, get out of your own heads. You know, it's not just about you, but it's also about giving to others and understanding where other people are coming from. It also increases our empathy so we can have that humanity, something that we're really losing in this politically divided world. And we talk about having to social distance because of COVID-19, but here's an opportunity where you can connect with other people without even having to be there physically by donating to them. But it's even better when we're able to volunteer and do things with them. And there's something, Shirley, called a helper's high, where again, it's that chemical thing, but it really is about making you feel great.
And I liked what you said there about giving a sense of meaning, right? Because again, when you're stuck in a rut and you're stuck and your life isn't going the right way and you're kind of in your own head, as you were saying, it's hard to get that perspective and to understand your worth and your value. And then you go out, you help somebody else, and you can feel your value. You can see your worth.
Giving is the gift that keeps on giving, because not only are you able to help someone out of a dilemma or a tight spot, or helping them be able to, at least move forward in their lives, especially in a time of need, but it also reminds you as to the importance of being connected to one another. And what is your carbon footprint? What is it that you are giving back to the world that makes you a person of worth and makes you part of a humanity, a brotherhood, and a sisterhood? All of those things are important to our physical health, our emotional health, and certainly our spiritual health.
All right, Dr. Jeff, certainly there's a lot of benefits there to volunteering, to giving to others, and also to yourself. Something to think about today on MLK Day and really every day of this year. Thank you so much, Dr. Jeff.
Always a pleasure.